Let me share my experience on eBay with you. It's been a roller coaster ride dealing with increased complaints, lost clients, and negative reviews, all resulting in significant profit loss due to poor fulfillment and returns. I thought I could focus on profit margins and overlook the importance of filtering my product research through quality parameters. Big mistake. The moment customers started receiving subpar products and bad fulfillments, complaints flooded in. It wasn't just about unhappy customers, it led to order cancellations, refunds, and returns, hitting my profits hard. I repeatedly overlooked the days until delivery when product researching and late deliveries became a frequent issue. Customers were frustrated waiting longer than expected, which led to many of them canceling orders before they even received their items. The refunds piled up, directly impacting my profits. I realized too late how crucial timely deliveries are for maintaining customer satisfaction and retention. Moreover, multiple times I ignored free return days when dropshipping. Initially, I didn't see the importance of a customer-friendly return policy. This oversight backfired when clients felt stuck with products they didn't like or that didn't meet their expectations. The negative reviews started to pour in, and I lost clients who felt betrayed by the inflexible return policy. Another thing. Watch out for sellers with low review scores. Being reckless with this led to numerous complaints about product quality and service. My reputation took a hit because of bad fulfillments, resulting in even more complaints, returns, and replacements. The cost for handling these returns and replacements started to soar, and the same care goes to the number of reviews. Sellers with few reviews often turned out to be unreliable to me. Their inconsistent fulfillment and quality led to more negative customer experiences, returns, and more operational costs. Choosing or not to use fulfillment by the retailer only seemed indifferent to me. However, consequently, this resulted in some fulfillment errors, so be careful with this one too. Handling these errors resulted in some stresses with customers. Sometimes profit loss became inevitable. And speaking on profit loss, shipping cost, this can become a huge trap. Like shipping costs seemed like a minor detail initially, but it turned out to be a major factor because what I thought were profitable products ended up eroding my profit margins once I accounted for the high shipping costs. This oversight made a significant dent in my overall sales and profitability. So basically, the culmination of these mistakes led to several negative outcomes like poor product quality and service resulted in costly complaints and tarnished my business's reputation, deterred potential customers with negative reviews, reduced client retention, increased refunds and returns impacting profits, caused operational strain, and lost revenue opportunities. These challenges highlighted the importance of attention to detail and high standards and quality parameters of the researched products.
So, to avoid all these pains, it becomes crucial to bulk targeted filter your product research list. It becomes needed to bulk filter research products in files through your targeted filter with the right threshold of quality parameters in order to quickly guarantee you dropship only items from good sellers with good achievement, free returns on your targeted product research. So this way you, 1, effortlessly keep your clients always satisfied by fulfilling the quality expectations promised. And 2, you avoid losing profits and other time-consuming headaches about your business. So no mental effort or time is wasted, as in few clicks you quickly filter unlimited products. Let's see how you can do it with concrete examples. One at first, this video assumes that you already built your niche target filters chosen previously. If not, please check first the video in the recommendation card above titled Mastering the Craft of Targeted Filtering Your Product Research in Dropshipping. Also bear in mind that you don't need to be an advanced dropshipper, okay? No previous experience needed. You just need to start off on the right foot. All the instructions, UI features are pretty intuitive. No filtering through quality parameters. No chance of succeeding sustainably, No chance. And many dropshippers fail precisely
because of this absence of type filtering. At any rate, generic rules on filtering quality parameters will prevent you a lot of problems, yes, for sure, but you still are at risk if you don't tailor that to your niches, okay? So let's choose the niche of office equipment. And so as your target filter, you should set Alma to eBay office equipment. And let's ask Seek Analytics to help us with this, namely an advanced tool called Autopilot. We already have here a scan test gun. And give it carefully office supplies. The supply is Walnut. And while I open some profitable products to Dropship, let's talk a little bit about the characteristics of this niche. Because this is a niche that is established, So many sellers compete in this space. Buyers are familiar with product types like chairs, desks, and accessories. And also it's high value kind of niche because parts like ergonomic chairs and standing desks are expensive. Also, it's non-urgent. That buyers research carefully before committing. They care about comfort, ergonomics, reviewing recommendations, warranty, and return policies. Also, it's non-perishable, obviously. Products are durable and have long lifespans. And it's not fragile because they are designed to handle weight and bandwidth use. Finally, with the tool return risk, buyers may return items due to comfort or fit issues or misjudged dimensions or assembly difficulties. The return risk is medium to high. So what we do here is we can just select everything, export to CSV, and right away upload to SellersFiltering. You just download it, and now you upload CSV. So you can just put it here, for example, and start. And it will process and filter all the products you exported in the CSV. So let's explain some things while it does that. You need to know that profitable dropshippers know that there are many dynamic factors, like seasonality, holidays, etc., that affect how targeted the quality parameters in this filtering of good cottage research should be. So building niche target filters first is essential. Okay? So quality parameters need to be customized. Also, dropshippers have a lot of critical tasks, and one of them is ballistic, a lot of research products. So they can't lose time. There we are checking quality parameters on every product. So full capabilities are essential for this, And yeah, pretty much that. In a couple of seconds, this will finish filter every URL. So besides the CSV, you can also have your CSV with your own profitable products, or sometimes there are virtual assistants that keep CSV with profitable dropshipping products to share among themselves. And here, in this case, you can download a CSV as well, upload it as you normally do, and start the process. And as it processes in a couple of seconds, let me explain that, the UI of SellersFiltering is intuitive to understand. It feels pretty new. So there's also eye customization
You can combine these parameters and or operations. And you can create, name, save, remove different target filters. And you can customize low and high thresholds for 7 different filter quality parameters. Also, SellersFiltering is flexible and versatile like it works with multiple suppliers like Amazon, Walmart, eBay, and can be used to dropship in unlimited marketplaces. And it integrates easily use complement along with other dropship listing software or product research software in your dropshipping workflow like AlphaVS, Ziganoidics, etc. So yeah, it's done. That's it. Once you downloaded the files, you can access them and see that you will always have like 2 files, the products approved CSV and the products rejected CSV. You can open like this. And you will see that you have a column with all the product links that were rejected, and also a column with individual sellers, like it says to you if it is an individual seller or not in this specific lake. Also, you need to focus on the products approved, because this is the one that you can upload in bulk to your marketplace or to your listing software you like. In this case, let's use, for example, AlphaVS to upload all the products in bulk. So you just go here and you press Upload CSV, drop CSV file, and you just put the products approved like this, and you're good to go. And you're good to go. You can add as a draft, for example, and it will upload in bulk. So in few clicks, you can have a bunch of products to your marketplace, in this case, even marketplace.